Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for GroupMe. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in groupme.com and press enter on your keyboard. GroupMe is a free and simple platform from where you can stay in touch with your friends and family quickly and easily. To sign up and get started with GroupMe, from the official webpage, click on the Sign Up Now button appearing on the left-hand side. To continue signing up, you can use your Microsoft account, Facebook account, or Apple account to get started and finish off your sign up quickly. You can also enter a valid email address into the Enter Your Email text box at the bottom. Go ahead and enter a valid email address that you have an access and then click on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to enter some of your details. Type in your full name in the first text box and select your country code from the drop-down. Enter a valid phone number and create a new password for your account. You can also set up a profile photo for yourself. Click on Set Profile Photo and upload a photo from your gallery. After you are done filling in your details, click Continue. Now, a verification code has been texted on your mobile number that you just registered with. So go ahead and enter the code that you received and make sure to type it in correct. Now you can click on the Start Chatting button. Now you can start and log in with your account. You'll be redirected to the main login page. Go ahead and enter your email or your phone number in the text box, followed by your password, and click on the Login button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for GroupMe. Now, you can organize a night out, keep in touch with your friends and family, plan your events, or coordinate with co-workers all in the same place with this service. That is how you can easily sign up for GroupMe accounts, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.